English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 8. Cafe, Shop Edition. It was interesting. People understand that. Anything more natural? That was fun. That was fun. I like it. That works fine. What sounds more natural? I am into it. I am into it. I hate it. That sounds strong. What sounds softer? Not my thing. Not my thing. It is very good. People get it. Anything more native? It is really good. It is really good. It is subtle. That sounds odd. What sounds natural? It is kinda meh. It is kinda meh. It was boring. People say that. What sounds more casual? I could not get into it. I could not get into it. It is the best. That works too. Anything shorter? That is awesome. That is awesome. It is normal. That sounds awkward. What sounds better? It is okay, I guess. It is okay, I guess. I recommend it. This is common. What sounds more natural? You should try it. You should try it. It was difficult. People understand it. Anything more casual? That was pretty hard. That was pretty hard. It was easy. Nothing wrong with that. What sounds better? That was a piece of cake. That was a piece of cake. It was better than I thought. People say this often. Anything shorter? It was actually good. It was actually good. I expected it. That sounds formal. What sounds more natural? I was looking forward to it. I was looking forward to it. I would not do it. That works fine. What sounds more casual? Not for me. Not for me. It does not matter. That sounds harsh. What sounds softer? I do not really care. I do not really care. I was looking forward to it. I was looking forward to it. Not for me. Not for me. I do not really care. I do not really care. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.